Today, Gao the dog is on a delicious mission, KFC. He scans the glowing menu like a pro. Crispy, juicy, decisions, decisions. Patient pause, wagging tail. Gao lines up, ready to order. 4 chicken breasts and an XL Coca-Cola, please. And yes, he pays with a credit card. Order in. Pager in paw. Time to chill and wait. Condiment quest. A splash of chili sauce, a swirl of ketchup. Perfect. The anticipation builds. Almost there. Buzz. Dinner is served. 4 crispy breasts on deck and an ice-cold XL Coke. First bite, crunch. Second bite, joy. Wash it down with a fizzy sip. Mission accomplished. Gao's KFC adventure. Simple, crispy happiness.